वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। You can repeat after me. Ayivun Riluk Eong Ai Ouch Hayavarat Lan Nyamangananam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadash Khapachathatha chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal. Okay. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
So if power goes, it will come back. So when the power goes, I think the UPS is switched off and the net is disconnected.
Okay.
And wait for some time, it will come back. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
You can repeat after me. And you need to type your names again in the chat box. The list will disappear. You can type your name again in the chat box. You can repeat after me now. Akarantaha pullingaha ramashabdaha.
Akarantaha pullingaha ramashabdaha.
Ramaha ramo ramaha.
Ramaha.
Ikarantaha pullingaha hari shabdaha.
Ikarantaha pullingaha hari shabdaha.
Harihi hari harayaha.
Hari harayaha.
Ukarantaha pullingaha guru shabdaha.
Ukarantaha pullingaha guru shabdaha.
Guruhu guru guravaha.
Guruhu guru guravaha.
ऋकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
ऋकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः
पुल्लिङ्गः पितृशब्दः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता पितरौ
पितरौ
पितरः
ऋकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कर्तृशब्दः
ऋकारः पुल्लिङ्गः
कर्तृशब्दः
You know the form karta, kartarau, kartarah. Again, karta, kartarau, kartarah. Dakarantah pullingah etad shabdah.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
Yeshah etau ete.
एषः
एते
Makarantah pullingah idam shabdah.
मकारः पुल्लिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
Ayam imau ime.
इमौ इमे
इमे
Dakarantah pullingah tad shabdah.
दकारान्तः
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
Sah taute.
सः तौ ते
Makarantah pullingah kim shabdah.
मकारः
पुल्लिङ्गः किं शब्दः
शब्दः
Kah kau ke.
के
All these are Pullinga Shabda. Now, Strilinga Shabda we are seeing. I will introduce in the last class. Now you can repeat after me. Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha
आकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रमाशब्दः
Rama Rame Ramaha
रमा रमे रमाः
Dakarantaha Strilingaha Etad Shabdaha
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
We are not discussing Pullinga now, Strilinga. Dakarantaha Strilingaha Etad Shabdaha
स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
We are going to see this. Esha, ete, etaha.
एते एताः
Makarantaha Strilingaha Idam Shabdaha
स्त्रीलिङ्गः इदं शब्दः
Iyam, ime, imaha. Dakarantaha Strilingaha Tad Shabdaha
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः
Sa tetaha
सातेताः
Makarantaha Strilingaha Kim Shabdaha
स्त्रीलिङ्गः किं शब्दः
Ka ke kaha
काः
So many Strilinga Shabdas are new to us, right? So we are going to see in the lesson now. So you can mute your mic. So in the last class, we started the Strilinga demonstrative and interrogative pronoun. I think I introduced Idam Shabda. Just now we chanted Makarantaha Strilingaha Idam Shabdaha. Idam means that which is close. And the declaration will be Iyam ime imaha. In Pullinga it is Ayam ime, Ayam imau ime. Similarly for Etad Shabda. Similarly for Etad Shabda. Just now we chanted Dakarantaha Strilingaha Etad Shabdaha. The declension will be Yesha Ete Etaha. That Etad refers to that which is very close. So Strilinga, if it is a Strilinga, say for example, if there is a girl very close, we can refer to a girl by Esha balika. If it is a boy, Eshaha balaha. Okay. Similarly, Ayam vrikshaha. That is a Ayam vrikshaha. This is a tree. The tree is not close. It is not so close. It is still close. Right? Ayam vrikshaha. When you say Iyam utpidika, I'm just giving an example. This is a table. The table is right there, but not so close, relatively. So, Iyam utpidika. Utpidika is Strilinga. Therefore, Iyam must be used. You cannot say Ayam utpidika. Ayam is Pullinga. Utpidika is Strilinga. So, gender mismatch. So, that's not correct. Iyam utpidika. Based on the proper noun, the pronouns should be used. The gender of the pronoun also must be in line with the gender of the proper noun. And also in terms of numbers, ime is there. Ime you have seen in Pullinga also. Have you seen in Pullinga the form ime?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
What vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
It is Bahuvachanam. Here it is Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam.
So depending on the sentence, you have to make out whether it is Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam, depending on the proper noun. The proper noun will tell you whether it is Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam. If it is Dvivachanam, then it is Strilinga. If it is Bahuvachanam, then it is Pullinga. So based on the proper nouns, we can know. Similarly for Etad also. Ete, you see, in all the proper nouns and the interrogative pronouns, you will see the Dvivachanam matches with the form of Dvivachanam. The Strilinga form of Dvivachanam matches with the Bahuvachana Pullinga forms. So, based on the sentence, we have to translate. Here also, ete is there. In Pullinga also, ete is there. Eshaha, etau, ete, Bahuvachanam. Right? So, in Bahuvachanam, in Pullinga Bahuvachanam, ete means these many. Whereas in Strilinga Dvivachanam, it is these two. Understand?
Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay.
Just one query, Guruji. Is it etad dakaranta or etat takaranta?
It is etad only. It is by mistake, it is here to correct etad.
Yeah, thank you.
Then similarly, tad shabda. Tad means that. Sahataute in Pullinga. Here it is sa te taha. Sa balika, that is a girl. Sa utpidika, that is a table. Sa ghatika, that is a clock. Saha parvataha, that is a mountain. Saha mayuraha, that is a peacock. Because they are Strilinga, therefore, they are Pullinga, therefore Saha. If it is Strilinga, Sa. And the Bahuvachanam form of Tat Shabda in Pullinga, it is Te. Here in Strilinga, it is Dvivachanam. The same form. Te is, you see the form Te. The form is same as the Pullinga Bahuvachanam. But here, Te means those two. So you have to note the difference. Te balike, those two are girls. Te balaha, those are boys. You understand the difference, all of you?
Yeah.
So, te ramaha,
Guruji.
te chatraha, te shishyaha, te acharyaha. All these are Pullinga sentences referring to those are boys, those are teachers, those are girls, shishyas, disciples. If it is Strilinga, te balike, te utpidike, that you use te, those two. The meaning is those two. If there are many girls, many tables, then you have to say taha utpidikaha. Taha utpidikaha. Utpidikaha, like what? Rama Shabda. We saw Rama Shabda. Rama Rame, Ramaha. Utpidika, utpidike, utpidikaha. So taha utpidikaha. Those are tables. Those are girls. Balika, balike, balikaha.
Balikaah.
taha balikaha. So sa balika, te balike, taha balikaha. Can follow all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Then
Yes, Guruji.
Kim Shabda. Kim also you will find the same thing. Dvivachana form will match with the Pullinga Bhagavachana form. Okay. The form of Strilinga Kim Shabda will be Karantaha Strilingaha Kim Shabdaha Ka Ke Kaha. Ka Balika. Who is that girl? Ka Balika. Ka Ka Gatika. Kaha Acharyaha. Kaha Shishyaha. That is Pullinga. K, referring to those which are two in number. K. Kaha, who are all or what are all. So Ka, Ke, Kaha. You can see the similarity with the Rama Shabda. Do you see the similarity with the Rama Shabda? Akaranta Shabda. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. The same way. Ka, Ke, Kaha.
Kaha.
Do you see the similarity?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Similarly, Sa, Te, Taha. Same. If you know Rama Shabda, you can know this Pratama Vibhakti of all the pronouns also. Ka ke kaha, sa the taha, esha ete etaha. Then iyam ime. Here this is
Iyam,
bit
ime.
different. This form you need to remember. Iyam, ime, imaha. That also same only. Ime is that is same. Iyam, ime, imaha. Idam Shabda, the Rupam is iyam, ime, imaha. For Pullinga, it is ayam, imo, ime. That only difference. Only in idam shabda only there is a difference. Otherwise, it is. If you know Rama shabda, then you know etat shabda, tat shabda, and kim shabda. Similarly, if you know Rama shabda, you can decline kim shabda, tat shabda, etat shabda. Idam shabda anyway, I said it is different. Now, you can read. Yam is there, using the word yam, yam meaning this. You're going to read some simple sentences. Priyaji, you can read.
Iyam Saraswati.
Saraswati, long E. Okay.
Iyam Saraswati.
Saraswati is long E because if it is short E,
Okay, ji.
then it becomes yes.
Iyam Balika.
Yam Balika, yes. You understand the meaning? What is the vibhakti of Yam?
Ekavachanam.
Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti.
Vibhakti means case.
Yeah.
Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam Yam. Saraswati also Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. We are going to see that. We are not seeing. Ikaranta Shabda, we are going to see later. Don't worry about now. Similarly, Yam Balika. Yam is this. Balika, Rama Shabdavat. Like Rama Shabda. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Balika Shabdaha, Balika, Balike, Balika.
Balikaha.
Yam Balika, this is a girl. Can continue, Priyaji. You can read this, the 4 sentences.
Okay, ji. Iyam Lata. Iyam Bala. Iyam Mata. Iyam
Yes.
Vanita.
Yes. You understand the meaning of these sentences?
Yes, ji.
Simple sentences. Lata could be the name of the person, or it could be a creeper. A creeper is also called a Lata. Bala, girl. Bala also girl. Balika also means girl only. Mata. Mata is, how do you... Okay, Mata is... What is its noun base? Pratipadikam. Mata.
Matru.
Matru.
We have seen that, right?
Yes.
Don't assume that Mata is Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Mata Shabdaha. No, it's not like that. It is not Mata, Mate, Mataha. Okay. It is Matru Shabdaha, Rikarantaha. This confusion can come. That is why I'm saying you have to note. Mata is Rikaranta Shabda. Rikarantaha Strilingaha Matr Shabdaha Mata. We are going to see that later. It's going to come. But we have seen this Shabda before it. When I introduced only the Shabda, there we saw this Matra and all. Matra, Swastra, all the relationship known basis we saw. Vanita. Vanita is Vanita only. Okay. There is no Vanitra and all. Vanita means a woman. Vanita, Vanite, Vanitaha. Okay. Next person. Nageshwarji, you can read. Next.
Iyam Balika, Iyam Aja, Iyam Patrika, Iyam Rama.
Yam Aja, what does it mean?
Goat. A female.
Goat.
Female goat, okay.
Okay.
If it is a male goat,
Aj.
Ajaha.
Aj.
Ayam Ajaha. Okay.
Ayam Ajaha.
Ayam Ajaha. Yes.
Yam Aja. Difference is there. Ajaha Pullinga, therefore Ayam.
And
Aja Strilinga, therefore Iyam.
Yeah.
Patrika means paper. Iyam Patrika only. Rama, we know. Akaranta, Rama Shabda.
Okay.
Next person. Now we are going to use Yesha. Now we are going to use all the, we are going to use the Ekavachanam of all the demonstrative and the interrogative pronouns. Ekavachanam first. Then we will see Dvivachanam and then Bhagavachanam. This is how we are going to go. Now Ekavachanam of Iyam, Idam Shabda, that is Iyam we have seen. Now Ekavachanam of Etad Shabda, Yesha. Okay. So you can read. Next person. Shruti.
Yeah, Guruji. Esha Ka. What is this? Esha Gatika. This is a clock.
Yes. So Gatika is Strilinga, therefore Esha Ka. Ka Esha, what is this? Gatika. Continue.
Ka Esha Ka. Esha Dolika. This is a swing. Esha Amba. Esha Shatika. Esha Balika. Esha Adhyapika.
Yes. Amba is mother. Shatika is
Sari.
Sari.
No,
Sari.
Sari. Yeah.
Balika we know. Adhyapika,
Teacher.
Teacher. Feminine teacher.
Teacher.
female teacher. Adhyapaka, male teacher.
Male
Adhyapika,
teacher.
female teacher. All these are Akaranta Shabda. Amba, Shatika, Balika, Adhyapika. Okay. Then, continuing. Now, Tat Shabda, Ekavachanam, singular. Next person can read. Srividyaji.
Sa Amba, Sa Makshika, Sa Dvichakrika,
Dvichakrika.
Sa Utpitika.
Sa means that. That is a mother. Makshika is honeybee or Makshika. Dvichakrika is bicycle.
Bicycle.
Or could be bicycle or bike or whatever it may be. That which runs with two wheels. That is called Dvichakrika. Dvi means two. Chakrika is wheel. Dvichakrika. Utpitika, table.
Table.
Now continue, Srividyaji.
Iyam Gaika, Esha Petika, Sa Durga, Esha Makshika.
Can translate. What is Iyam Gaika?
Iyam this is a singer.
Singer, yes. Gaika is female singer.
Okay, and this is Petika. Petika is tree.
Box.
Box.
Petika. Okay. Sa Durga. That is Durga.
Yes.
And Esha. That's very close. This is Makshika is bee.
Yes.
Honeybee.
Yeah,
Honeybee.
Yes. Next person, Lataji, you can read.
Sa Dvichakrika. This is bicycle. Esha Aja. This is a female goat. Iyam Amba. This is mother. Esha Ambika. This is Ambika also mother only, na?
Yes, yes.
Of the person.
Ambika also mother, or Ambika could be the name of the person also.
Esha Lalana. Lalana means what?
Lalana is a woman, beautiful woman.
Okay. Beautiful woman. Sha Paduka. This is slippers.
Footwear.
Iyam Bharya. She is wife. Esha Vidya. This is name of the person, Vidya.
Vidya also means knowledge.
Knowledge.
Next person, Manjula ji can read.
सा पत्रिका एषा वीणा सा सूचिका इयम् अजा
Agnya.
Agnya, not Aja.
sorry इयम् आज्ञा
What is the Patrika? Can translate.
yeah that is paper newspaper Asia very close this is Veena sa that is Suchika means
Needle?
Needle.
needle
Yes.
needle
Needle.
Iyam Agnya
This is an order.
Order.
this is order
Continue, you can read the next one.
Iyam Kavita that is Kavita
This is
Sa-
Kavita. This is a poem. Not that is, this is.
okay Sa Ganga
Hmm.
Esha Kunchika
Kunchika.
yeah Sa Prabha
Kunchika means key.
Key.
key
The key which open the lock, right? Kunchika. Ganga river. Prabha is, could be name of the person. Prabha means shine also Prabha. Surya Prabha. Surya Koti Samaprabha. You remember where it is there? Where?
Vakratunda.
Vakratunda
Aditya.
Vakratunda
Mahakaya.
Mahakaya
Surya Koti Samaprabha. There it
Prabha.
is Ganesha. Ganesha is Pullinga, therefore the same Prabha becomes Pullinga there. Anyway, we'll see that later. That Prabha is there. Next person, Nalini ji. You can read the next two lines.
Yes, Guruji. Yesha Lata. That is Lata.
This is
Yeah.
This is Lata.
This is a
Yeah.
creeper.
Iyam Amba. Sa Pragnya.
Pragnya.
Yesha Vriddha. This is old lady Vriddha.
Hmm.
Um,
Pragnya
Sa-
is wisdom.
wisdom. Okay.
Hmm.
Sa Vanita.
Hmm.
That is Vanita. Yesha Narmada. This is either Narmada being a person or the river.
Yes.
Iyam Meda.
Hmm.
Iyam Veena.
Okay.
Meda, I don't know the meaning.
Which one?
Meda.
Meda is
knowledge
knowledge. Meda means there is the power of retention, the power of grasping and retention. Meda Shakti. Saraswati. Meda Shakti. Meda stands for Saraswati, the power of Saraswati. Saraswati's base is required for Meda Shakti. Okay. Meda Suktam is there. Gragana Dharana Shakti is called Medha. The power of receiving and retaining is called Medha. Next person, Manjiriji. Ime. This is Dvivachanam of Idam Shabda. You can read.
Idam Shabda. Okay. Ime ke. Who are these two? That's girls. Ime balike. These two are girls. Ime ke. Who are these two? Ime pipilike. So these are two ants.
Pipilike. What is the Pratipadikam?
Pipilika.
Pipilika. Okay, continue.
Ime late. So
These
Ime
two
is
are.
yes, Bahuvachan. These two are. These two are Lata Late. So these two are the two creepers or two
Yes.
girls named Lata. Ime Rame. Ime again, these two are Rame, so Rama. Two girls named Rama. Ime Shakhe. So these two are Shakha, that is branches. And Ime Male. So these two are two garlands. Mala, Male. So two garlands. Ime Kokile. So these two Kokila, that is bird. Then Ime Mapike. Mapike, I don't know what it is.
Mapika is
Tail.
ruler.
Huh?
Ruler.
Ruler. Okay. Okay. So these two are two rulers.
Ruler means, you know,
Ime-
scale. I mean,
Scale,
ruler means
scale,
not the
yes.
king. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ime Prabhe. So these two are Prabhe, Prabha.
Yeah.
So again, either it is shining or two girls named Prabha. And Ime Veene is two girls named Veena.
Yes.
These two are, yeah.
Yeah. Next person. Ete. Etat Shabda. Dvivachana form.
Vivachanam.
Meeraji.
Ete ke. What are these two? Ete kokile. These two are cuckoos. So, ete ke. Ete chalike. Who are these two? And these two are drivers.
You can see in the picture, those two are female drivers.
Drivers.
If it is a male,
Chalike.
if it is a male, it will become Chalaka.
Chalaka.
Chalaka. Chalike.
These two are drivers, male drivers. How do you say it?
Chalako.
Good. Say these two are.
Etau.
Etau
Etau dalako.
Chalako.
Etau Chalako. These two are
Chalako.
drivers, male drivers. Here it is, picture you can see. I think it is female only. Okay, you have to guess. Ete Chalike. Continue.
Ete Yamune. These two are two girls named Yamuna. Or
River
the
also.
river Yamuna. Ete Bale. These two are little girls. Ete Shake.
Branches.
Branches.
Yeah. These two are two branches. Ime Male. These are two garlands. Ete Kokile. These are two birds, cuckoo birds. Ete Mamike.
Mapike.
Mapike.
Okay.
We just saw that.
Rulers.
Rulers. Yeah,
Rulers.
these are two rulers. Ete Prabe. These are two shine of the sun, or two girls. Ete Veene. These are two Veena, or two girls named Veena.
Yeah. Next person, Girijaj. Using te. That is Dvivachanam of Tat Shabda.
Yep. Yes, Guruji. Te Mahile, two women. Te Paduke, two footwear. Te Makshike, two honeybees. Te Petike, two boxes. Te Vichakrike, two bicycles. Te Gayike, two female singers. Te Agnipetike, two matchboxes. Te Late, two creepers.
Yes. Agnipetiki matchbox. Yeah. Next person, Priyaji. Now you will see the mix-up of all the Dvivachanam here. Yeah.
Ete Mahile. These two are ladies. Ime Makshike. These two are honeybees. te Durge. These two are
Those two.
those two are Durga, named Durga. Te Nauke. These
Nauka
two are
is
boats.
yeah
Boats.
boats. Next person, Nageshwarji. Nageshwarji, you can unmute and read.
Yeah, sorry. Te Gange. Those two named Ganga. Ete Bimale. These two Bimala. Ime Praje. These two Praja.
Citizens.
Citizens. Is it female citizen or?
No, Praja is generally means citizen.
Okay. So the gender is.
Praja is Strilinga.
Okay. Te Bale. Those two are girls.
Next person, Shruti.
Ime Vanite. These two are Vanita named. Te Balike.
Vanita
Two
means woman
girls.
also.
Yeah, woman. Okay. Te Balike. Those are two little girls. Ete Male. Ete Male. Those are two garlands.
These two.
Ime.
These.
Oh, sorry. These two are garlands. Ime Lalane. These two are females. Lalane.
Beautiful woman. Lalana means
Beautiful
woman.
Yeah. Lalane. Okay.
Now you will see the plural form, Bhagavachanam of all the pronouns. Imaha idam shabdasya pratama vibhakti Bhagavachana rupam. Imaha. Next person can read. Who is the next person? Shividyaji.
Imaha kaha. What are these? Imaha sthalikaha. These are plates. Imaha kaha. What are these? Imaha kunchikaha. These are keys.
Can you make it into
Imaha,
a singular and dual? Both plates
yes.
and kunchi plates and keys.
Okay.
Question as well as answer.
Iyam ka.
Yemka.
Iyam ka. Iyam stalika.
That's it. Yemka, yem stalika.
Yeah.
Dvivachanam.
Iyam kunchika.
Okay. Now, dvivachanam.
Iyam ime. Ime ke. Ime stalike. Iyam ke. Ime ke. Ime kunchike.
So that orientation has to come. That takes some time. When you say dvivachanam, immediately you have to pick up the dvivachanam proper now.
Yeah,
right?
It's
that comes
confusing.
only, not confusing, it will be a matter of practice. Abhyasa only. As to use to it, it will come. Yes, continue.
Imaha lataha. These are lata. Lata is light or?
Creeper.
Creeper. Lata is creeper, okay. These are creepers. Imaha shakaha. These are branches. Imaha malaha. These are garlands. Imaha prajaha. These are citizens. Imaha ramaha. These are ladies named Rama. Imaha mapika. These are rulers. Imaha vanitaha. These are ladies named Vanita. Imaha petikaha. These are boxes.
Okay. Next person now. Lataji, you can convert everything into singular.
Iyam lata. Ime late. Iyam shaka. इमे शाके इयं माला इमे माला इयं प्रजा इमे प्रजे इमे इमा रमा इयं रमा इमे रमे इयं मापिका इमे मापिके इयं वनिता इमे वनिते इयं पेटिका इमे पेटिके.
Next person, Manjula ji. You can
Yes, Guruji.
answer. You can. I will give you the answer. You have to ask question. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
If I say imaha lataha, you have to ask. You have to ask kaha imaha.
Yes, Guruji.
I will give the answer. You have to ask question.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Ime shake.
Ke te.
I used ime only.
Ime te.
Ime shake. Yeah. Yes.
Ime te.
Te. Ime te. What is the difference between ime and te?
Sorry, Guruji. Ime ke.
Ime ke. I want the confusion to happen. It happened. Very good. Fine. Imaha malaha.
Imaha ka.
Imaha kaha.
Kaha. Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Iyam praja.
Iyam ka.
Iyam ka. Ime petike.
Ime ke.
Iyam vanita.
Iyam ka.
Imaha mapikaha.
Imaha kaha.
Ime rame.
Ime ke.
Very good. Okay. Continue. You can read.
Yeah.
Etaha. Yes.
Yetaha kaha. What are these? Yetaha pipilikaha. Etaha kaha. Yetaha utpitikaha.
Okay. You can continue.
Yetaha balaha. That.
These. All these. Etaha, these.
Sorry. These are girls. Bahuvachanam. Yetaha shakhaha. These are branches. Yetaha ramaha.
Ramaha.
Sorry. Yetaha ramaha. Yetaha veenaha. Etaha prajaha. Etaha kathaha. Katha means stories, Guruji.
Stories.
Yes. Ete prabhe. This is dvivachanam.
Yes.
Ete. Yeah.
This is for you to, identify. That's why it's given deliberately.
Yeah. Yes, Guruji.
Distinguishing with the others. Yeah.
Bahuvachanam is etaha prabhaha.
Yes.
Next, ete veene. This is also dvivachanam.
Yes.
Etaha veenaha is bahuvachanam.
Yes.
And sa veena ekavachanam.
Esha veena.
Sorry, Guruji. Esha veena.
Next person. Who is the next person? Nalini ji.
Yes, Guruji. Taha patrikaha. Taha
Churikaha.
churikaha.
Churikaha. Churika is knife.
Knife. Churikaha. Taha naukaha. Taha padukaha. Taha vidyaha. Taha kridaha.
Sports.
Taha gopaha. Taha ambaha.
Yes.
Imaha ramaha.
Not only we are not reading, okay, we have to translate. Imaha, Ramaha. Now we are going to use all the pronouns mixed up.
Imaha, Ramaha. These are girls named Rama.
Yes.
Taha, Petikaha. These are boxes.
Those are boxes.
Those are boxes. Etaha, Durgaha. These are ladies named Durga. Etaha, Vidyaha. Those are
These.
These are ladies named Vidya or
Knowledge also.
or anything else, Guruji?
Vidya means knowledge.
Knowledge.
Vidya can also be the name of the person also. But Vidya can mean also knowledge. Yes.
Ta, Gangaha. Those are
Ganges.
ladies Ganga.
Ladies Ganga, the river, many rivers, many tributaries of Ganga. Suppose if you are pointing it out, you can say Taha Gangaha.
Imaha, Vimalaha. These are ladies named
Vimala.
Yetaha, Gopaha. These are Gopaha is
Gopaha means shepherd. Gopalakaha, Gopaha.
Gopaha.
Or the
Taha.
protector also is there. Anyway, protectress. Okay.
Taha, Naukaha. Those are the
boats.
Etaha, Vanitaha. These are ladies named Vanita.
These are women. Vanita means woman. Vanita can also mean the name of the person also. Yeah.
Taha, Kridaha.
Kridaha. Sports.
Sports. Imaha, Agnyaha. These are orders.
Yeah.
Etaha, Prabaha. Those are the
These
rays
are.
of these.
Okay, so I think we can stop here. We'll continue the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Harihi
Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।